How to add affiliate links to Squarespace website. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, which is going to load up the Squarespace website for me. Now from this page, we want to click on edit and then choose the option to add a section here between your header and your previous section. So here we'll just choose the option to add a blank section. So it's going to look like this for now. Now I'm going to go to Amazon and generate an affiliate link. So right here, I'll just choose any product and then I'll click on text. And this is my affiliate link for this product. So I'll just click on copy and we're going to go back to our Squarespace website. But before that, we want to actually get this image. So I'll just save this image here to my desktop because I'm going to promote this product. And now from here, I will choose the option to add block to my Squarespace website and I'll choose the option for image. Now I'm going to click on the plus icon and I will upload the file which I just downloaded here. And we can make it bigger as well. So it's going to look like this. And now if we want to add a link, we will click on this button here to edit the link and I'll paste my copied affiliate link here. So now if I save this, I'm going to save this and I'm going to preview it. If I exit out of this editor here, if people click on this link or this picture, they will be referred to this product and they will have used my affiliate link and I will earn a commission if they purchase it. So that's how you add affiliate links to your Squarespace website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.